Welcome back, everyone. Your Wednesday looks like another nice day ahead. We're going to see lots of sunshine, just a few more clouds than yesterday due to this cold front approaching, but it's not going to do anything in the way of our temperatures. We're going to be nice and mild in the 80s, and we're not going to see any rain from it either. Again, just a few more clouds. It will reload some moisture back into the atmosphere, however, so our humidity is bumping back in. Temperature-wise today, we're going to be about 80 degrees, so 80 on average, 80 for Sarasota, Venice, and Inglewood, 82 Northport, 83 Port Charlotte and Punta Gorda, 78 Boca Grande, and 79 on Longboat Key today. Taking a look at our state temperatures, 60s in the upper portions of the state. Pensacola and Tallahassee will be in the 60s today, but Tampa 81, in Gainesville 80, 84 in Orlando, 84 Fort Myers, 81 in West Palm, and 81 in Key West this afternoon. Another great day to be on the water boaters. Winds out of the northeast to start at 5 knots, becoming northerly. Seas will be 2 feet. Your chop, it's smooth today. Water temperature if you head to the beach is 72. Just 2 tides today. The first, a low tide in Sarasota at 8:08 in the morning, then a high at 11:50 this evening. In Charlotte, the high tide was at 1:59 in the morning, then a low at 10:33 this evening. Now, talking about the tropics, we are in the last few days of talking about the tropics as the season comes to a close shortly, and there is nothing really to talk about here. All is quiet in the tropics today. National picture. Well, we had periods of rain and snow in the Pacific Northwest yesterday. Well, today another potent storm is going to push in, so we're going to expect more of the same. In the Midwest, a slow-moving area of low pressure is giving a lot of rain to some areas. It's going to lift up towards the Great Lakes by tomorrow and be out of that weather picture. In the south, we are getting some rain from the Appalachians east to the Carolinas. And in the Northeast today, well, we've seen some mild and seasonable conditions, sunny skies. That will hold true for today, but change is on the way. Let's take a look at the numbers today across the nation. We're looking at nice temperatures in Atlanta, mild at 60, 69 in Dallas, 76 in Brownsville, 76 in Phoenix, 54 in Denver, 54 in Detroit as well, 51 in Boston, and 58 in Washington, D.C. today. Pollen mold counts for our area. We're absent for tree pollen today, absent for grass, but moderate for weeds. So weed count is climbing today, and we are continue to be low for mold on your Wednesday. Now, taking a look at our overall picture of our Wednesday, nice day ahead, as I mentioned. We're going to see sunny skies with a few clouds around, high of 80 degrees and a very light north-northwesterly wind flow. So that's a nice cool wind. Now, as for tonight, we're going to be cloudy with a little bit of patchy fog after 1 a.m. Sunset will be 5:37 and your overnight low is 62 degrees. The next 6 days, well, yeah, there are some changes on the way. Tomorrow, we're going to be about 80 degrees. We're going to have morning fog once again. But by Friday, you feel the humidity really back in place. Saturday and Sunday, we do have the potential for a few scattered thunderstorms throughout the area as another cold front approaches. And then Monday and Tuesday, though, look at that. Once we get beyond that, we're looking at nice, mild conditions once again. Your weekend, though, not a washout by any means. That's a look at your forecast. Thanks for logging on to Herald-Tribune.com.